Hello, everyone. So, I don't know about you or where you are in the world, but here in our cozy little house in the country in Scotland, all the trees are starting to turn green and there's little flower buds everywhere. And honestly, I cannot wait for the warm weather. I've got seeds already planted, I've got all my little plants growing. We've got a new garden being made. The stream is running. Soon we're going to be outside eating yummy cakes and drinking tea and drawing designs in the garden. And I cannot wait. But we still have maybe about a month and a half until it's warm enough to sit outside. So until then, let's get back in the studio and I've got some exciting new things to show you. everyone and welcome back. So as you might have guessed from last week, or if you're following me over on Instagram, that we have a laser engraver now and we're testing hats out. Now this should make a big difference because I can transfer my designs onto Lightburn and get them burned through the laser engraver onto hats, which in theory takes less time, but that's proving to be a little bit difficult at the moment. So here is our first test. Now the burn is fantastic. It worked out really well. You can see we did like a test line around here. There's a little bit there that says test, which were the first bits we did. And then we tested this design. And although we've not quite got it to the edges there, it's a little bit further away there. And of course this bit here didn't quite work. So that could be a little bit of, maybe my design is a little bit off, but this machine I've never had to work anything like this machine before. Now I've got a Cricut machine and it was basically plug in, click set up, have design space onto your laptop, and you can calibrate it so it all works well together, and if the lines are slightly off later on, you calibrate it again. This machine, I don't think seems to have that, or at least I couldn't find it anywhere. You just kind of typed in the machine and the measurements of it, and then you kind of have to work it out after that yourself, meaning measurements and putting things in and this, that and the next thing. And it's taking longer than expected. So I had to rope James into helping me. And he obviously doesn't work with these sorts of things either. But we are getting there. And when I say it's supposed to help with time and stuff with me so I can spend more time on designs and other things, it's taking 3 hours to burn one of these hats. Which, you know, when you work at home like me, I don't have to work a 12-hour shift or even an 8-hour shift. I can work for 4 or 5, 6 hours and then go, I'm done for today, that's it. But I'll only get 2 hats done in that time. And that's only one side of a hat. If I was gonna do 2 of them, I'd only be getting 1 hat done a day. So we ramped up the speed a bit and it made no difference. So there's a lot of stuff with this that we're still working on. But we did do a second test. And we did it on the top of the hat this time. And it worked out a lot better. It is closer to the edges. Not quite, but closer. But again, the top bit isn't quite right here. So I'm gonna have to adjust my design, I think. And what I'll do is I'll just take the template from Lightburn, pop it on Procreate, and then do my design through that, rather than I took the hat and did my design. So we'll see if that works. Seems a bit backwards to me. Should work if I've done it the right size, but the machine says I've not done it the right size. So maybe I've not done it the right size. Who knows? But yeah, so I'm quite happy with this. The burn looks fantastic. Look at that, it's so clean. And I can't wait to try ones with shades in them as well, which is gonna look good. Now somebody did ask about my designs, and yes, every single one of my designs is drawn by me. I draw on paper, then I put it through Procreate and I tidy it up, and then they'll come into this. It's the same with the digital designs that you can buy from me on my Stan store. They are also hand drawn by me, because a lot of people out there are using AI to make their templates and just selling templates of AI images. Not for me. I'm not judging. AI can be a great tool. I wouldn't personally use it for doing artwork, but each their own. Lots of people like that thing. I don't like it. I'd rather have something hand drawn and done by an artist rather than use AI. But enough of my moaning. Enough of my moaning. Wait for it though. Check out the noise of this machine. Yeah, let's have a lovely, relaxing session where we do some drawing and some designs. No, because that machine is running all day and it's really loud. And not to mention, I have to have the window open for the pipe to get the fumes out of the window. And it's cold. So my studio is now cold and noisy. So I can film bits and pieces for you guys, but I can't sit and talk to you. So I've had to wait until the next day to have this little chat, which has obviously lasted ages because I can't split it up into bits. But yeah, it is what it is, isn't it?